Hello, my name is Mr. Adam and today I'm going to show you 3 good ways of solving subtraction problems. These 3 ways are using the standard algorithm, using a number line, and using place value. I hope you enjoy. This is how I solve 32 minus 15 using standard notation. So the first thing I can see is that the ones has a bigger number down here than at the top. So I can't do 2 take away 5. So what I need to do is change my 32. Instead of having 3 10s and 2 1s, what I want to have is 2 10s and 12 1s. Because 2 10s and 12 1s is the same as 3 10s and 2 1s. They both equal 32. Now I can solve 12 take away 5. 12 take away 5 is 7. I can do that in my head because I learnt that in grade 2. Now I move on to my 10s. Simple, 2 10s take away 1 10 is 1 10. So 32 minus 15 is 17. This is how I solve 32 take 15 using a number line. So I'll start off by finding 32. I can just put 32 here, nice and neat. So 32, I want to take away my 10s first. So I take away 1 10. So I've taken away 10. That leaves me on 22. Now I need to take away 5 1s. If I'm confident at math, I should be able to do 22 take away 5 in my head. But if I need that little bit of extra help in my head, I'm going to break up 5. So I'm just going to do 22 take away 2 first, because that's quite easy. 22 take away 2 is 20. Now I can take away the 3, because taking away 10 and 2 and 3 is taking away 15. So 20 take away 3 is 17. So now I know that 32 take away 15 is 17. So a third way to solve subtraction is by using place value. Place value is a little bit different when you're subtracting than it is when you're adding. The first thing you need to know is you always start with the biggest number. So I'm starting with 32. So in place value, I need to take away the 10s first. So I'm going to say 32 take away 10 equals 22. Now I've got 22, so I can start my new math problem. I need to start taking away my 1s. So just like before, if I'm confident, I can do 22 take away 5, but I just want to break it up for myself. So I'm going to break the 5 up into 2 steps to make it easier for me. 22 take away 2 is 20, I know that, and 20 take away 3 is 17. I can do that in my head. How do we know we're correct? Well, I've started with 32. That's my biggest number. So from 32, I've taken away 15 in total. And it's left me with the answer of 17. So 32 take away 15 is 17. So there you have it. There are 3 different ways to subtract 2-digit numbers. I can do it on standard notation, I can do it on a number line, or I can take away using place value. For me, the best strategy is place value, because I can do place value on paper and I can do it in my head easily. So next time I do subtraction, I think I'll use place value.